So the answer to that is, Rohan, yes, you can use competitors' keywords as your search terms in the back end of Seller Central so that you too rank for those keywords. Okay, so let's just go Pampers diapers. So for instance, I'm searching for Pampers diaper wipes, and already we've got Huggies who are bidding on that keyword. All right, so we already know that they've tried to do that. They're trying exactly something what you're suggesting. However, my question is, why would you want to do that? And the reason is, when you think about a customer and the life cycle of a customer, customers go through 4 distinct phases of their buying cycle. So phase 1 is they have a problem. There's poo everywhere, and that poo needs wiping up. It's a poo problem. So they've got a problem. They recognize that they've got a problem, and they need to go find a solution to that problem. So next stage of the problem solving process is research. What's the best way for me to wipe up the poo? What's going to do that best for me based on the needs of, in this case, my baby, who's got a very, very sensitive body and so needs sensitive baby wipes, for instance. So they're doing the research phase, and then they research and they look at different products, and they'll come up with the perfect thing for them to buy. They will then check price. So price is next. If the price of the perfect thing that they've researched comes up, they'll then go somewhere like Amazon, for instance, and look at go and buy the price. And I covered this last week in my Q&A, where I talked about my old affiliate marketing days. If you haven't watched that, it's a good thing to watch. And so, for me personally, it does not make sense to bid on brand names, because invariably the person who's interested in buying that brand has already decided that that's what they want. They're not in the research phase where you might be able to sway them to come and try your product. They're not in that phase. They're in the buy phase where they know what they want and they want to buy that particular product. And it's Pampers, Natural Care, unscented baby wipes. That's what I want to buy for my baby. So bidding on it or trying to rank for it just doesn't make sense to me. That's why you can do it, but I don't get that it's a good thing to do. I think there's better utilizations of your resources and time other than trying to sway people who've already decided on the brand that they like. It's like me, if you were trying to sell me a car, you could put an advert for a Toyota, a Nissan, a Lexus, anything in front of me, and it would just like it's like water off a duck's back. It doesn't even register for me, because the only car I want to buy is a Porsche. That's all I'm interested in buying. That's just my brand. That's what I'm interested in. And so it doesn't make sense if I type in Porsche into Google, for instance, to also show me an advert for a Nissan. It just doesn't make sense. And that's why I don't do it. If you think about it like that, I hope that makes a little bit more sense for you, Rohan. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.